Hello world, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my another content. In this content I'm going to share with you a very common topics and very famous topic. The topic name is how to start speaking English if you don't know much. So please watch my full video and follow or subscribe my channel. That's how you'll be able to see my all content. Even while I'll publish my every single content into my channel, and I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your English speaking journey. So don't waste your time, because time is very valuable for us, you and me. This is time for let's begin. I want to start speaking English but don't know where to begin. In this video, I will share step-by-step tips, easy exercise, and a example to help you speak English confidently, even if you know very little. Learn how to build your vocabulary, your common phrases, and improve your pronunciation, and practice daily to become more fluent. So don't waste your time. Please watch my full video, and I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your daily life speaking in English. Step 1. Step 1 is focus on everyday words like gettings, numbers, colors, and common object. Start with simple word and phrases, but you must have start fast and focus your goal and focus your accent, focus your pronunciation, focus your getting number and colors, like that. Hello, hello, how are you? My name is Shishir. I'm a English speaking course. All or I want to be a great communicator in our country. That's why I'm creating content. That's why I'm practicing my content type. You can say this type of common phrases, and you can say this type of English speaking, like color likes, number likes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You can practice this kind of number with right accent. And color, like this is called a red color, yellow, like red color, yellow color, green color, magenta color. uh, you can practice this kind of colors like white, black. Like you can also practice like some common of like ocean, like water, like deep, like sea, like river, like computer, desktop, laptop, mobile phone, home. This is our home. You can practice this kind of object. And number 2 is, this is very common, like listen and repeat. Listening to is key to speaking. Start with simple solo English content, YouTube videos, kids shows, English song, podcast. Like play short sentences. I like to eat vegetables, apples. Repeat with same rhythm, like and stress. Encourage, even if you're mispronounced, even if you're mispronounced, it's okay. Keep practicing, because practice makes them perfect. Step 3 is daily speaking practice. Like speak every day, like even if it's just to yourself, doesn't matter. You must have speak every day. Like practice talking about yourself Like I wake up at 7 a.m. Then I'm eating breakfast. Then I eat my brush. Then I go to my washroom. Then I exit from my home for to go my office. This is called a practicing time. Like I am drinking water. I am opening my laptop. I am learning English. You can practice this kind of common phrases. Step 4 is use apps and technology like Duolingo for vocabulary and basic sentences, and hello talk or tandem. This is shared with real people. And Elsa speaks pronunciation and pronunciation improvement. AI is chatbot for practicing English conversation. Step 5 is think in English, not translate. Like stop translating from your native language. Start forming sentences directly in English. Practice internal monologue, like think aloud in English. Right now, what you are doing? Cooking now. I'm boiling water, or I'm eating salt, or traveling. Right now, I'm taking the bus. I'm buying a ticket. Track progress and stay motivated. This is very vital topics. Track, stay progress, and stay motivated. Set small goals like learn 5 new words daily, speak 5 minutes daily, record yourself weekly, compare to see your improvement, and celebrate a small win. Even forming one complete sentence correctly is progress. Keep a diary like now I'm creating a content, or now I'm watching a English speaking learning content. Like thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. Start small, listen and repeat, speak daily and use technology, think in English, then you track the progress. This is called a common step for improve your English. Don't wait for perfection, start speaking today. If this video help you, hit like, subscribe and share with friends learning English. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. I can't follow my this content because time is too short. Next time I'll connect with you with the very short time. See you soon with another content.